The Renaissance, a rebirth of art and ideas. The Renaissance, spanning the 14th to 17th centuries, marked a transformative period in art, culture, and science. Originating in Italy, this rebirth of classical ideals focused on humanism, where the human experience and individual potential took center stage. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo redefined artistic standards with their mastery of perspective, anatomy, and emotional expression. Iconic works such as the Mona Lisa and the Sistine Chapel ceiling remain symbols of this extraordinary era. The Renaissance also embraced architecture, with figures like Brunelleschi pioneering linear perspective and designing awe-inspiring structures like the Florence Cathedral dome. This period saw the merging of art and science, with advancements in printing, astronomy, and anatomy influencing creative expression. The Renaissance not only revolutionized art but also laid the foundation for modern thought, celebrating creativity, innovation, and the endless pursuit of knowledge.